Hi, this is John with WTI, and I got it all here. This is my favorite blue fragrance that I've found. Blue, fresh, easy to wear. Everybody likes it. Everybody gives me a compliment. And last Saturday, I was in a convention and I had a lot of compliments by just wearing this Versace Dylan Blue. So if you're looking for a safe bet, aquatic, blue, fresh and clean, and at the end you will have a dry down that is going to be a woody, this guy here is a great idea. I haven't found anyone that would not like this fragrance. So this one, it has a great longevity, is miles appealing. Some people think that, well, it is a brew fresh out of the shower fragrance, it's not going to last for too long. But this guy here, it works. It just works great. So if you're looking for a great compliment getter who is going to give you lots of compliments and everybody's going to like it, and you, the best thing, you are going to like this Versace Dylan Blue is one of the best fragrances that you can get. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.